Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So yesterday I showed you a basket that I was working on, and I have completed it. And it's right here. It's a storage basket. So I'll bring it closer. So this is it, and I used the same stitch here and here as I did in the type of Mosaic bag. Apparently it's kind of like Mosaic, but just a type of Mosaic. Anyway, so here it is. I finished it in these beautiful fall colors. So yeah, it holds quite a bit. Quite a bit. Yeah, so let me talk about the yarn I used and the hook size and what else is happening with it. Because there's something else I'm very excited about, and I need your help if you don't mind. Okay, so we'll get into that in a minute. So the mustard color, I kind of mentioned this yesterday in my video. The color is called mustard, and it's a big twist value yarn. They don't come in cakes like this. I did that myself. So yeah, it's a 4-weight yarn, and beautiful mustard color. They do recommend a 5mm hook, and that's actually what I used. So these are, well, there's 380 yards in here, 170-gram ball. Of course, I hardly used any of it really to make that basket. It's 100% acrylic. So I'm gonna have a tutorial as soon as I can. And the other yarn is this one here that I used. It's Lion Brand Wool Ease hand dyed. And it's also a 4-weight, 100 grams, 146 yards, but you know, this is pretty much the whole thing still here. It comes in a hank form, and it's got wool in it. 80 acrylic, 20% wool. This one actually says to use a 6.5mm hook. Yeah, so this was gifted to me. Thank you. You know who you are. And yeah, I used hardly any of it in that basket. So yeah, so like I said, I'll have a tutorial as soon as I can. I'm working on so many things, but anyway, so exciting. Hobie Yarn Company is having a contest. I guess they have contests. I don't know if it's on a regular basis or every now and then, but I happen to notice they're having one for storage baskets that are in fall colors. So I entered, and you can win $100 gift card. So if you guys have baskets, go to the site and enter. The most number of votes wins the gift card. So I'm asking you guys if you can vote for me. The link to my entry will be in the description box below. So if you click on that and you vote for me, that would be awesome. That would be so awesome. And yeah, so that's, yeah. I'm excited. You know, and they do ask the question, why do you think you should win? And I'm like, I don't know. What did I write? I don't know if I think I should win or why I think I should win. I just wish everyone the best, because that just, I don't know. I just don't know how to answer that question. I mean, I looked at some of the other pictures, and I'm going to go back and vote. I was just getting this video ready to do, but I'll go back and vote for you know, the ones that I like. And I just would feel weird answering that question. Why do you think you should win? there's so many beautiful entries, and I think this person should win and this person should win, like, I don't know, it's just, I feel weird about answering that question. So anyway, that's all I wrote there. And all right, guys, so I would appreciate your vote so much, and if you do vote, could you please comment below, I voted. I would love that so much, and you guys are so wonderful. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. It's the weekend tomorrow, so I probably won't be on till next week. But yeah, I'll see you all as soon as I can. All right. Thank you, everyone.